Hey guys, just want to run you through a fleet vehicle that's going out this week. So this one's built off our tradie tray. So this is a stock tradie tray on an extra cab. So it's 1975 long, 1850 wide. You get your full length rope rail. We all love a full length rope rail. Now with the base price of your tradies, you get your rear toolboxes, obviously, and then with a extra cab or a single cab, you get your front toolboxes. In the base price too, you also get full length tray sides with 3mm checker plate capping. You can also add other extras. You can also add a headboard water tank, an under tray water tank, and an under tray drawer. And then of course, if you don't want the tray sides, you can take them off that price as well. You'll notice a bit of a rear section different to the Tourer. So you've got your Maxi 3 lights on the back there. It's a full housing along here, but you still get a 4mm bed. So make them nice and strong. So the customer's option to go a 1975 canopy on this, so a full length canopy. So as all our canopies are, they're all 3mm and they're all lift-off compatible. And then he's optioned in a custom fit out internally. So both sides of this are identical, so the same drawer system. So you've got shelving up the top here, top drawers pull out, you've got internal dividers, so you can move those dividers left and right or take them out. Bottom drawer, and then you've got your big drawer down the bottom with a very large bench, so a lot of workspace. And then the back of the canopy there, you got your full run through. So whether you're looking at a fleet vehicle setup, whether you're looking at it as just a tradie setup, or you just like the look of the tradie trays, you know we do. Send us an email, give us a call, drop in. Always happy to help. Any questions, let us know.